can't receive or send emails or iPhone, or if your iPhone is not showing new emails in the inbox after the update, don't worry. To solve these issues, you can try out the following advanced solutions to resolve the issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 3. Offload the Mail or Gmail app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find out the Mail or Gmail, or you can offload both apps. Tap Offload, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall the app. Solution 2. Sync your Mail app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Mail, tap Account. Now choose your account. Make sure to enable the Mail option. If this is already on, be sure to turn off and turn it back on. Solution 3. Restart the Mail app and refresh the inbox. Close the Mail app completely and relaunch it. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone to access the app switcher. Swipe up on the Mail app preview to close it, then tap the Mail app icon to reopen it. After that, pull down the inbox screen to refresh and update the emails. This action triggers the iPhone to retrieve the latest emails from the server. Solution 4. Check your spam folder or trash. Open the Mail app. Now tap here. Find out the spam folder, or you can look for a bin or trash folder. Now check whether you get the new mail in there or not. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your iPhone not showing emails in the inbox. After following the process, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.